So over here, I am in the tracking table view, and if I were to go around over here and then select out some tasks right here and then click on mark on track, what happens is that it takes the current system date and then it takes it as a reference and then it marks everything as on track right here on that date. So if I were to go around over here and then select out, let's say for example, mark on track for editing and publishing, it does not do anything. That is because the date is farther more than the system date that is recorded. So you can go around and change that as well. So for that, if I were to go around over here onto other tabs, so let's just go around onto the project tab right here. Over here, you can see that status date is an option. So you can go around and take a date right here. So you can see that this is the present date. So I can just go around over here and choose a later date or an earlier date as well. So let's just go around and select out a date around next year and press OK. And now if I were to go around and then go around onto tasks right here and mark on track, it'll take the status date as the reference for what is happening, and then it'll mark out all of the contents right here just like this. So you can go around and mark it on track, and you can see that it takes that particular status date right there. You can go around and set the status date to let's say older time as well. So for that, you can go around onto the project tab, and on the status date you can go around, let's say for example, right around on the start of March and press OK right here. So once you do that, what happens is that if you were to go around and click on mark on track right here, right now you can see that nothing actually changes because there is the data right there. So I do need to remove them out right here for whatever I want to update. And now once you do that, let me just go around and click on mark on track. For shooting, it does not update anything, but if I were to go around and mark on track right here, you can see that it takes that particular date right here as reference and then denotes it as on track. And that is how you can utilize status date inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.